Hello, Rosa Maria Osuna from Remax Pacific Life. We are here today at Cerritos Resort, and this is a beach gated community in Mazatlán. So take a look just for you to get an idea where we are. That's Peninsula building. So let's go and take a look at this beautiful home. That's the 2-car garage over there. And it opens up, it's really beautiful, bright and sunny. It opens up to an amazing living and kitchen and dining area. Beautiful kitchen. Is so custom made cedar carpentry. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. It has water purification system for the whole house. That's a really nice feature for you to take another look. The layout has a really nice marble staircase, and I will show you the backyard here, which is really nice, and it's very sunny in the mornings. So take a look at this yard. Nice garden. And now let's take a look of the living. Another nice feature of this home is that it has a bedroom on the ground floor, so that's a really nice feature. And then big closet. It's all cedar as well, and it has a full bathroom over here. Nice marble counter. Now let's take a look at the upstairs. Oh, sorry, I will show you the laundry here. That's a laundry area and a washing station, and then you have access to the garage directly from here, and it has another door to get into the main house as well. And then here you'll find the water pressurization and purification system. Really nice. And then here you will find a powder room. Now let's go and take a look at the upstairs. And then here is a big landing area. They have it set up as a television area. Can have different purposes depending on your lifestyle. And then here, second bedroom. Nice. This is the backyard, nice garden next door. And then nice big closet. And it has an ensuite bathroom with a nice marble counter. Let's keep going. We get another view of this beautiful area here. Beautiful staircase. Has lots of natural light and natural ventilation, this home. I love it. And this is the master bedroom, and it has a nice balcony. Look at this. That's the real hotel there for reference as where we are in the location. So how about this bedroom for waking up every day? Amazing. And this is the master bathroom. It has a bathtub. And it does have a nice marble custom made counter. Nice colors, and a big walk-in closet. So this home. We'll have a look at the rooftop garden terrace up there, and then we'll be finished. This is a very nice also area here. You have a big space, and then look at this area. You have a water for barbecue, and if you like to have like a kitchen area up here, you can see a little bit of the ocean. So if you like further details, please call me or text me. My number is +52 66 912 00950. Mi número de celular es +52 66 912 00950. Gracias, Rosa Maria Osuna, Remax Pacific Life.